Thanks for joining us. Here we've got another episode to show you a cool new product that we've got in for demonstration. So I'm going to go about unboxing this thing in the usual Home Tech Talk style. So just bear with me while I unpackage it. So here we have the new Unite Audio Pitch and Catch. This is an audio over IP solution. It's a really cool, simple little product. So it comes as a kit in its smallest form with what's called a pitch and a catch. So a transmit and a receive unit. This is the receive unit. So on the transmit, it comes with an optical in, a coaxial digital in, and a 3.5mm analog in. These units come in both PoE powered and USB powered. The obvious initial use case for these is to transmit the audio from your TV to your multi-room audio system or any analog source. So today we're going to demonstrate with a turntable. So we're going to transmit our turntable back to our multi-room audio system. And it's awesome because there's no network configuration required. It's just a simple pairing of these devices and they'll work through practically any network switch, even if they're cascaded. So multiple network switches is not a problem for this device. So hang with us while we get it installed and we'll show you a working demonstration. All right, so here we are at our source end. So we're going to set it up with this turntable here. So this could either be the TV or the turntable, obviously. We've got our pitch unit or our transmit unit powered with USB-C. It's got an Ethernet cable and then the analog audio cable from the phono stage. So this product is actually routing through a small 5-port network switch here, all the way back to our comms rack, which has got a 48-port network switch. So we'll get Jade to go and set up the other end, and then we'll get this thing operational.
So we're over at the rack side now, and this is where our multi-room audio infrastructure is located. So we've got our multi-room amplifier here, which is the Unite Audio UR86, which is a multi-room amplifier. And we're going to be putting our catch unit directly into this amplifier so we can then stream the turntable throughout the house. So we've got this unit here connected to our 48-port PoE network switch. So that's powering the unit, and this is also doing the transmission of the data as well.
All right, now that we've got the units installed and powered up, we'll just go through the really simple little pairing process that you do for these devices. So on the transmit, or the pitch, you just press and hold for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes. And then Jake will press the pair button at the other end and pair the unit.
So now we can see we've got the solid blue light, and that means the unit is perfectly connected and also audio can now stream. So as you've seen, we've gone through the installation of both the source unit and also the receive unit. So we've got the source unit here at our turntable and we've got the receive unit back at our rack. So we've also connected that to the Unite Audio UR86, which is a multi-room amplifier of 6 zones, and it's got 80 watts per channel. It also has a few inputs, so it's got 1 SPDIF input and it's got 6 analog inputs.
Yeah, I've been lucky enough to have the Unite Audio amplifier here in my system for a few months. It's a really cool amplifier. It's got a great DSP features. It's got a really nice web UI, so if you want to do any configuration of that DSP, it's super easy to use. It's got SDDP for simple device discovery into Control 4. The unit has not missed a beat, so I've had multiple different speakers connected to it. We've gone through a few different reboot scenarios and things just come back online perfectly. I haven't had to readdress it or do anything to set it up again. Can't complain about it. It's worked perfectly, so really impressive. And it also sounds really, really good.
So Aidan, do you want to go through the operational side of it?
So now that we've gone and got the units all connected and set up, all we have to really do, given that we're controlling this amplifier with Control 4, we just jump into Control 4, choose the turntable as our source for the multi-room amplifier, and then drop the needle softly. That's it. And now we've got multi-room audio control of a turntable, so it can be out in your lounge room looking great and easy to use in terms of changing records and whatnot, and then distributed throughout your house or over the IP network.
So as you can see, it's a great little nifty product, the pitch and catch units, and they are available now.
Yeah, if you want to purchase them, go to Unite Audio. They've got their online shop there. All the products are listed. You can order both the PoE model and the USB powered model.
So there you have it. We've demonstrated the pitch and catch units from Unite Audio. If you are liking videos like this, we would love it if you like and subscribe to keep up to date.
And don't forget to follow us on social media at Home Tech Talk. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you on the next one.